Alright, Dick and Betty, we're back with your dear darling. Oh, look at her this little bright-eyed beauty. So I've got my foot on there, you know, to keep her from making a mistake, but I don't want her to get up and correct her down. We're doing everything we can to make the behavior that we want occur, so that becomes a habit. And you can reinforce it later. Only have my nick set on 0 at this point in time. And I'm not saying for the recall, I have turned it up to get her to come, but that was maybe 3 times. You've got to have the nick to be able to reinforce stuff. But this dog, oh, she's a bright one, this one. Alright, so we're going to use her name. We're teaching her 3 basic behaviors. Come, go, and remain stationary. This heel and the recall is falling under the behavior of coming. And you see how she's curling her foot around there? She's telling me she's planning on staying. So I'm going to get my treat ready. Mieska! Not my leash. Very loose. Very loose. I'm giving the sensation that I'm needing. My hand is not all wrapped up in the leash behind me like this. Everybody at home, you need to videotape yourself. Feel good. Down. Good. To make sure you're not doing that. Down. Remember, good. Dogs innately read body language. Once your arm goes like this, or once you're kind of like this, they can tell that. Gotta have the sensation that your arms are in front of you. Oh, Butter's giving her a very close exam. Good. Oh, Butter's the behavior modeler. Alright, so same thing. I got my treat ready. Mieska. Good. I'm making a very wide turn. She has a tendency to kind of do her little jumping around thing. So I'm cueing her with the pig. I'm lowering the leash down. Wonderful. Mieska. Down. And then we want her over on the hip. We're going to define down. Just being over on the hip like that. Alright, 2 more updates soon.